Yeah.
Really wish to eat. Like that'd be great. Everyone can just throw it. Like, yeah, it's try to do that.
My friends probably just say.
Can I take pictures? So keep the map.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to be an IT, to be an infrastructure specialist or a developer?
What are they made of? How do you create them? The second part is really about integrating services. So have you seen stuff like Facebook, Twitter, maybe Windows Live? You can learn how to integrate all that stuff into your own applications. The final part is really about hosting and creating your own services. So you're going to learn a lot from the experts on how to create your own services and deploy it out there. So if you're crazy about services, you want to learn more about it, come to this developer track right now.
It is so exciting to be the third Energize. You know, I was over at the anime conference because I'm a big Ghost in the Machine. I was going to do my hair, for the show. They seem to be a little bit, they seem to be a little bit louder, so certainly they could hear us through the wall. How are we doing this morning? Come on. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. So this is Energize number 3 for me. And for those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Mark Relf. I'm the Vice President of the Developer and Platform Group at Microsoft Canada. It is so exciting to be up here focusing on skills growth. You can see Energize continues to evolve. So I'm the first speaker that gets to deal with the round stage. What do you think of this venue? Come on. That's pretty good. Have you ever seen this many? We always hear from people, make sure we can see the screen. So I think we fixed the screen problem. Putting you out there, recognizing On behalf of the entire team at Microsoft Canada and all of our sponsors of Energize IT this morning, thank you very much for coming and spending your Saturday with us. This really is an amazing event.
We got Miguel from Winnipeg. We got Stephen and Meraki from Vancouver. We got individuals from all over the country bringing their skills, knowledge to share with you.
In Canada to help get the ball rolling on a number of these strategic technologies. But today I mentioned it is really all about you, and we're going to spend a lot of time on that audience, that community pillar of my role as we go throughout the day. You know, really, my team has a pretty big aspirational goal to help build out a set of programs, a culture, a means of conversation with you that help you grow your skills, help you aspire to the things that are important to you, and for you to be successful in those aspirations. That really is what we are trying to do. It manifests itself in a lot of ways. Events like this here at Energize, things that we do online, the blogs that we write, the skills training that we do. There's a number of different things, but really it's about you as technical professionals. All the technology in the world really doesn't solve any problems without amazing people to help make it happen, and it's really become the cornerstone of what my team has become about. And I think it's a bit of a unique perspective in the industry. I'll go back to, you know, when I was doing this interview with IT World Canada just yesterday, and that's really where they dug into. You know, in a country where there's a shortage of really great IT talent. You know, we hear that from our customers and partners every day, that the battle for great talent is something that every company deals with. And in a place where there's a decline in enrollment of students into science and technology, we really think it's important to help nurture the profession, help people understand really what's possible in IT and why it's a great and amazing place to be. So that's really the overall mission of what my team is all about.
Making sure that we energize IT so you can make that difference.
This was a webcast series dedicated solely to career advancement. It wasn't a Microsoft technology discussion. It was absolutely a career discussion. It was unbelievably popular. Normally we only get, you know, a few dozen people into a webcast, and we were getting a few hundred people into these webcasts.
Challenge that notion of anything is possible. And I thought about a challenge. I said, could I come out here at 10 in the morning and get 1,500 people to sing with me in unison? Think I could do it? Well, I have an idea of how I can do this. So Mark, I'm going to ask you to come up here for a second, and we're going to sing Happy Birthday to Mark Ralph, whose birthday it is today. And with a notable exception of his wonderful wife and precious daughter, there is no group that he would rather spend his birthday with today than this one. So 1,500 people. Is it possible for me to get 1,500 people joining me in singing Happy Birthday to Mark? So let's give it a try.
This video you're seeing right now was created by someone like you who wanted to make their mark and difference.
To you, happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
See, that proves anything is possible. So, a year ago, I got to go to my first Energize IT, and candidly, I didn't know exactly what to expect, because I had heard such great things, so much passion about it from inside the organization, and it all came to light for me. This is an amazing opportunity to bring people that are so important to our organization.
It's time to go insane. It's time